So my baked items came in this bag, and you know, they delivered the whole thing. That's a useful thing to know. They delivered everything in one delivery. So I ordered from all these different shops in Borough Market, but the delivery came in and they brought everything together. So it's very convenient. So this bakery is called Caraway Bakery, and I ordered a loaf. This is their name, Caraway. So I ordered a loaf of their freshly baked bread, and I also ordered an amazing cake. So the cake, guys, you know what? This cake, you really can't get it anywhere else. It's a really amazing layered cake. It's called Napoleon, and it's got multiple layers. I tried this before, and this cake is from another world. It's got yeah, I don't know what kind of pastry this is. It looks like puff, but this is not puff pastry. These are layers that are baked by this bakery from scratch, I imagine. And the cream they use, it's a combination of custard and milk and light cream. Well, I'm gonna absolutely love this cake, and they've even pre-cut it for me into several slices. So, but I also want to show you what bread I actually ordered. Let's have a look. Oh yes, yeah, I ordered this rye bread. It's a Russian rye bread, which can be quite difficult to get hold of from other shops. Oh, I can already smell this bread. It's so aromatic. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm really pleased. So well, now you've seen what can be ordered from Borough Market. It's absolutely amazing. But before we finish, I was gonna also mention that I found lots of similar delivery services around Britain, and one particular one that I really liked was one in Cornwall, and they've got such amazing Cornish, they call them Cornish boxes, Cornish delivery company, and they've got amazing treats and pies baked in Cornwall, meats, jams, and all sorts of other things. I really wanted to order from them, but they would deliver mainly in their local area, and they're quite busy as it is at the moment. So, but at least we've got this Borough delivery service in London. So hopefully this was useful for you. If I didn't include anything but you're interested to know, do let me know in the comments. I am planning to order more things from this from Borough Market, from this delivery service. And when I was ordering, they had something like 54 different shops that I could choose from. So what I ordered was just fresh items and bakery, but they had many other things you could order. Italian delicatessen items like pastas, sauces. There are lots of much choice of cheeses, yogurts, candy, teas, coffees, you know, everything. So I simply chose something that I really need, and I can't easily get from a local shop at the moment. So hopefully you will like this, and you can share some of your experiences below in the comments. So as I promised, this is the follow-up video to my large video covering the fruit and veg baskets boxes that I ordered, and showing you the detail of what's in them. And I promised in that video that I would show you in my follow-up all these additional elements, how I ordered, what exactly I ordered. So on this screen you can see the web service where you can order, and it covers more than 50 different shops. All these shops are in Borough Market, and when you log on, it will give you choices of different delivery dates. One useful tip here is that you might find if you choose something like a Sunday, there's only very few, or Monday for example, if you choose a Monday or Tuesday, there's only very few shops, if any, available for you to deliver to you. This is because Borough Market traditionally doesn't work on Mondays and Tuesdays. I think they start from Wednesdays. This is their normal operation, basically their business operation. They open on Wednesday and they work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday, I think. And what happens when these shops are open, the delivery service will pick all these items from each individual shop for you, and the van will then deliver all of your items. So these are same favorite shops. If you've been to Borough Market, these are exactly same favorite shops of yours, if you shopped them, that will be preparing the food for you. They will simply package it all in a nice box, and several of these boxes will be delivered to you exactly at the time slot. So, and in this picture you can see turnips. This is the shop I ordered my fruit and veg boxes from. You will have, actually, when you go in, they will have lots of choices. There will be lots of different types of boxes, fruit and veg, large and small, exotic, etc. But I will tell you what specifically I ordered. I ordered from turnips. Let me tell you which boxes I ordered. I ordered one mixed vegetable box, which was $22.50. I think that's with VAT. And I also, here's another tip for you. When you order these boxes, there's a small checkbox whether you want additional eggs. And if you tick it, and in this case from turnips it's £5 extra, so they've included additional 12 fresh eggs for me for £5. So I ordered that and I received those eggs. You saw them in my other video. Then the second box I ordered from them, and from what you've seen, it's a very large box. It's called Exotic Fruit Box, and it's £35. So it's actually more expensive than the veg box. But you did see how large this box was and how many things they packed into this box. There are even still some things that I don't even know what they are. They look like beautiful exotic fruit, but I'm still trying to discover what some of those things are. I'm sure they're delicious. It's just I need to find out what it is. So this is turnips. Let me see what else. Yes, and what happens? You make all these orders from individual shops, and then you receive a combined email with all of your items from all these different shops. You'll see the bill, you'll pay for it, and then each individual shop will also send you emails to say they've accepted your order. And in my case, everything was accepted, but I suspect that perhaps if something is out of stock, or they can't accept it for any other reason, then you might have a substitute or some other message. But in my case, everything worked great. Okay, on this second image you can see Heritage Cheese Shop, and this is the other shop I ordered from, and you saw the selection of cheeses that I ordered from them. I will also mention that there are many other cheese shops. There are French cheese shops. There are really amazing artisan cheese shops in there. I chose this one specifically because they also had like a ready-made selection of different cheeses, trial sized. They are 25 grams each, and I think I had something like 5 of them in this package, and they had it all as one offer, as one deal. So I paid £7 for that because I wanted to try. I've not shopped with these guys before, and some of the cheeses look amazing, but I've never tried them before. So they offered this trial-sized package, which could be easily added, and it worked really great. So here you are. But you may find some other cheese shops that are even more exciting, and they are in fact amazing, some of those shops, because some of those are actually from French farmers. They bring this into London, and they're really amazing fresh cheeses. So you might want to try this one, or perhaps you can try some other shop, but this is just to show you what I ordered from which shop, if you liked it, in my previous video. And in this third image I am showing you the bakery I ordered from. This one is called Caraway Bakery, and I showed you the bread, rye bread I ordered, and the cake I ordered from them. But if you click on that bakery, you will find lots of other items. There are many different breads and cakes and pastries you can order from. And also this, I'll mention that this again is not the only bakery that's available from Borough Market, so you can choose another bakery. They also do pies, traditional vegetable and meat pies, so you can order those. They'll be freshly made for you on the day, I imagine. So again, this one, this image is to show you what specifically from which bakery my items arrived, and everything was perfect. They've all accepted my orders, and it was all delivered within even the time slot. They give you 1 hour time slot. They do say it might not work and you have to accept it whenever it comes, but it actually worked. They delivered exactly as promised, which was absolutely impressive. So let me just also quickly open my email to tell you how much I paid for my baked item. Okay, the rye bread, the loaf, entire loaf, was £4, and the massive cake, which was cut into I think 5 or 6 pieces, was £10. So I spent about £14 on bakery. So altogether, I can't remember if they actually charge you for delivery. I can't actually see any fees in my case, but I suspect oh no, there was a delivery. Okay, so this company, it's called Good 60 Local Delivery. So this is the actual company that does your delivery. They actually arrange the van, and I have to say they were fantastic. They arrived spot on time, which is, in these times, it's unbelievable. And they charge £5. So I don't know, there might be maybe if I spent, let's say, more, they could have waived this. I can't remember if there is such limit there, but in my case I paid £5, and you know what, I'm very happy for this delivery and the service they provided. The eggs arrived in good shape, cheeses, everything was fantastic. So I highly recommend, as you can tell. And I hope you will also share some of your stories. Perhaps you know of other food delivery services or farms that deliver, and you'd like to share them, because I'm still looking for other. I'll definitely be ordering from Borough again for sure, but I'm also looking for some variety and maybe some farm deliveries and things like that. So do share your stories, and hopefully you enjoyed watching my review of this Borough delivery, and I'll chat to you soon again in another video. Thanks for watching.